Hey, Linda Bradley here with Princess House. So today my recipe of the day is going to be cilantro chicken with lime. Might actually be called cilantro lime chicken. And we're actually doing this one on the stovetop. I've gotten lots of requests for all different kinds of recipes, not just the Miracle Monday recipe in the microwave. So this one's on the stovetop. I am using the 10-inch skillet, which is the non-stick. And so the very first thing that we're going to do is take boneless chicken breasts, season them with salt and pepper, and put them in the pan. All right, so a lot of people have been telling me that they don't want to just use the microwave, and I get it. So we're going to use all different kinds. So I'm just going to season the chicken and then put it in the pan. I have already, you can hear it, I have already warmed the pan up. It is on medium. And we're just going to cook it here for about 7 to 8 minutes. So once the chicken is cooked on the one side about 7 to 8 minutes, you're going to go ahead and flip it. You're only turning it once. And then you're going to let it cook on the other side for about 7 to 8 minutes again. Just keep an eye on it. So you can use a meat temperature thermometer to make sure that it gets up to the proper temperature. 165 is what they use for chicken. And once it hits that, you know your chicken is done. You can go ahead then and remove the breasts from the pan, but don't turn it off because now comes the sauce. So into this pan, we are going to go ahead and put our onions. And this is a 1/4 cup of chopped onions. And you're going to put it right in all the juices that the chicken left behind. And you're just going to cook this for about 1 minute. It's really quick. They get very fragrant very fast. And then after 1 minute, you're just going to add 2 cloves of garlic and let it cook for 30 seconds. And then once we do that, we start to make the cream sauce. You can get all of your ingredients ready in advance so that you can be doing other things while the chicken is cooking. There goes the garlic. Love the smell of that. Hey! Yeah, you ruined my whole thing!
What do you mean? You can't put this online? I love my mom. She's the best. She cooks great and it smells delicious.
All right, that's fine. I'll let it stay. It's his kitchen anyhow. All right, so once we do this, now we're going to start to make the sauce. So the sauce consists of, this is 1 cup of chicken broth and the juice of 1 lime. You can either use a fresh lime or you can go ahead and use the cheater stuff. Then we're going to put in, let's see what else we have to do. We have cilantro, 2 tablespoons of fresh cilantro chopped, and then this is 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. And now what we're going to do is to turn the volume, well, that's not the right word. We're going to turn the heat up. And we're going to let this roll into a soft boil. We just want a gentle boil, and we're going to do that for about 8 to 10 minutes and reduce the liquid. So it'll reduce it by about 1/4. Okay, so the liquid has cooked down a little bit, you can tell. And now we're going to add in the final part, and this is the cream sauce. So you can use either heavy cream, you can use Greek yogurt, or you can use sour cream. I've chosen to use sour cream. So you're supposed to whisk this in, but of course, I don't know where my whisk is. So, oh, this is working well. So you're just going to whisk it in. Yay! And then that's it. You're going to turn off the heat. There you go. Ooh, it's looking good. And then you put your chicken back in, add a little bit of cilantro. I'm going to push it on both sides so you can get a little bit of the sauce. Yay! And then of course you can serve it over rice or quinoa or pasta, whatever you'd like. Put a little extra cilantro over the top. Whoops. And there we go. Yay. I'll take a better picture because I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see this. All right. So this is our cilantro lime chicken. Yay. All right. Hope you enjoyed. Linda Bradley at myprincesshouse.com.